How to log in Temu account for beginners. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, make sure that you download the Temu app from the App Store for iPhone and Google Play Store for Android. Now once downloaded, tap on the open option available there and open the app. Now once inside the app, tap on the Me icon at the bottom. And once you tap on the Me icon, you can see sign in or register option available there. Simply tap on the sign in, and once you tap on the sign in, you can choose your preferred login method, email or phone number, Google, Facebook and Apple ID for the iOS users. If you are using phone or email, enter your info and you may receive a verification code via SMS or email and enter the code to login. Then, if you are using any other social media platform, then all you have to do is tap on it and simply log into your social media platform and it will be signed in. Or you can simply tap on the Apple ID and do so. So here I have signed in using my Facebook account. So I'm tapping on the login using Facebook. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel and thank you so much for watching.